Welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we shall talk about finding the planes of symmetry of a shape and calculating the relative error of a measurement. Now, number of planes of symmetry of a shape is equal to its lines of symmetry. So when you look at this shape, the first thing that you have to know is the number of sides of any polygon is the number of lines of symmetry it has. In addition to that, you can see that when we cut the middle part, the two parts become equal. So this shape has got 6 lines of symmetry of the polygon. This is a hexagon plus the middle part. When you cut the middle part, both sides will be equal. So in conclusion, we can say this shape has got 7 planes of symmetry. B is saying a piece of timber measures 5.25 centimeters long. Calculate the relative error of the measurement. So relative error is calculated as relative error is equal to absolute error over true value. So our absolute error is calculated as, now when we look at 5.25, we know to say these are ones, these are tenths, these are hundredths. So this number is corrected to 100th, meaning even when we are finding our error, we'll use the 100th. So you divide the 100th by 2 to get your absolute error. So that would be more like 1 over 100 times a 1 over 2. That will give you a 1 over 200. That's your absolute error. From there, you put your absolute error here, and then you divide the 2. So we have 1 over 200 divide by, which is the same as over, the true value, which is 5.25 centimeters. From that point, we say 1 over 200 divide by 5. When we make this an improper fraction, it will be 25 over 100. This is a mixed fraction. So say 5 times 100, 500 plus the 25. That will give you 525. So 1 over 200 divide by 525 over 100. From that stage, you say 1 over 200 times 100 over 525. Then you get 100 over 105,000. You cancel the 2 zeros, then you have your 1 over 1050. When you divide the 2, you should be able to get a 0.00095. So therefore, that was the error.